Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do this reddish gold orange sort of makeup using all warm colors for the festive season. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. I'm currently using the Pixi Beauty Vitamin C Tonic as a toner and I'm really loving it. It helps in shrinking my pores, it has vitamin C in it, so it also adds antioxidants in my skin which helps me to get a glow. And then I'm using the Faceshop Collagen Face Cream. Love this cream, especially in the winter. And in case you have dry to normal skin, definitely use this because it really hydrates the skin and also gives a really nice sheen and glow. And then using some primer, and for that I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm only applying this around my nose, chin area and forehead. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Foundation in Warm Natural. This shade suits me absolutely perfectly. I didn't want it to be too matte. I wanted it to be really soft and glowing on my skin, and that is why I added this glowing cream into the foundation. I've started putting a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus into my beauty blender, like I just sprayed on it, and I think this really helps in keeping the makeup intact. And then using my beauty blender, I just blend everything into my skin, the hairline, the forehead and the neck. Concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Finish in NC35. Using the PAC 272 brush, this is an amazing concealer brush. I'm just going to use this around my eyes, around my lip area. And then going in with the MAC Studio Fix Compact in NC35, I'm just basically going to dot this under my eyes and anywhere that I would really get sort of creases. I would not put this all over because I didn't want a matte look at all. I wanted to keep the skin really fresh and glowing. Using the Morphe eyeshadow palette, I've been using this quite often in the last few months. For the crease, I'm using this shade. It's called 5 PM. I wanted to go in with a color which had brown and red in it, like rust around my crease. So I went in with this one. And then using this shade called Snap, using the Pro Art AE21 flat brush, I'm going to put this in the inner corners till the center. This gave me the reddish pinkish hue that I wanted in the eyes. And then using Trash Talk, it's a beautiful coppery shimmery color. I'm just going to apply this in the inner corners. This really opens up your eyes, so I really like adding a little bit of shimmer around the inner corners of my eyes. And then I'm just going to take the Real Technique Duo Fiber Eye Brush and I'm just using this basically to blend everything in. And then going in with Hotspot using the Sigma Pencil E30. I'm going to use this under my eyebrows to highlight the arch. And then using my favorite kohl, which is the Shamboss Smoky Eye Intense Kohl in black. This is matte, it is smudge proof, waterproof and it is quite long lasting. I am going to apply a thick layer generously on my lower waterline. And then using the PAC 016, I'm just going to smudge the lower waterline with the kajal. This is just so that I soften all of the lines and the kajal does not look too harsh. And then using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, I am just going to use this on the lower lashes because I have eyelash extensions on the top. I avoid using this on the top. This is the sleek blush in coral that I'm just going to use on the apples of my cheeks. And then using the Mario Luminizer highlighter by The Balm. Using a fan brush, I'm just going to apply this on the high points of my cheeks. Also on the bridge of my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow and also a little bit on my chin. And then going in with my favorite that I use every day is the Smashbox Driver's Seat Lipstick. I absolutely adore this shade. I literally use it every day of my life. This is the perfect peach color that I think would suit Indian skin tones so well. I am also mixing a little bit of the Lakme Matte Melt Pink Silk in 13. I just wanted to add a hint of pink. Both of these lipsticks are absolutely matte, but they do not dry your lips out at all. Both the formulation are like one of my favorite. And that's about it. That is the final look. You guys can use this for parties, for any festive occasions, weddings, sangeet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.